The enemy seems to be concentrating their power around the White House. An overwhelming number of defense forces, unlike any yet seen, are predicted to be on hand. The shape of this underground base is highly complicated. There is a strong possibility that the target area is closely coordinated, skillfully attacked to prevent reinforcements and coordination between target areas. This is the granddaddy battle of them all. Annihilate the target areas and take back your White House, sir. This mission goes by the call name I'm Home, Operation White House. Good luck and Godspeed, Mr. President.
Over the tower.
Do we have a visual?
Almost.
Cut the boat.
Yes, sir. Just get tapped in.
Let's party! It's good to be home.
Some scientists were among the POWs you rescued. They were used to develop new weapons for the military. The above-ground route has been sealed off. But if you take back the underground base, the enemy will surrender and open the barrier. Now aim for the target areas. Now get out there and rock their world. Oh! Gas is being released! Let's destroy the targets releasing the poisonous gas before the density reaches 181 ppm. Mr. President, the poisonous gas has been stopped completely due to the target areas being eliminated. A musician was among the POWs you rescued. He was forced to perform to entertain the troops. Mr. President, control of all the energy guns in the underground base has stopped. This target area seems to have powered the energy guns. 3 target areas remain. Which do you want to destroy next? Mr. President, all flamethrowers in the underground base have been stopped. This target area seems to have supplied the fuel to the flamethrowers. Mr. President, you are experiencing radar trouble. You can't move carelessly about until the radar jamming station is destroyed. Mr. President, the radar is back online. Now the traps are easy to detect. The number of enemies has really decreased. There's one last target area. The enemy surrendered at long last. What's this? Were we lured out? Who did that to the White House? They shouldn't call it the White House. They should call it the Fight House.
Don't get distracted, Jody. Time to redecorate. Fast and to the point.
Mr. President, peel off that unsightly armored exterior. A scaredy cat missile is being protected in a sturdy shelter. When the shelter opens, that's your chance to attack.
Welcome home, Michael. But why shoot at your father? Don't shoot, Michael. You were so cute when you were little, Michael. Remember your sense of justice, Michael.
Oops. Sorry about that, Dad.
I'll tell you one more time. When the shelter opens, that's your chance to attack. Mr. President, just what do you think you are doing? The White House is just ahead. Hurry up and finish this. White House spring cleaning is coming along nicely. You're halfway there. The White House is almost back to its handsome self again. Mr. President, let's finish this. You're home at long last.
And here to stay. I'm back, America!
Now you've recaptured all of America.
Yes. But Richard has disappeared.
The Special Intelligence Department is investigating, but...
Metal Wolf? The Vice President is in Las Vegas.
Really?
Nobody rivals our intelligence gathering abilities. Head for Las Vegas with me.
Well, not just me. Everyone in the Resistance will be rivaling support around the country.
I know how you feel.
Thanks.
Mr. President, good luck, and...
Jody, prepare Air Force One for takeoff. We're heading to Las Vegas.
Yes, Mr. President.